The back streets of Siena have changed little since the days of the Renaissance. Make a point to get away from the crowds and enjoy a quiet moment with the timeless magic of Siena. All over town, shops tempt you with edible Sienese specialties. Gourmet pasta, vintage Chianti, wild boar prosciutto.
This looks very good. It's tutti Toscana?
Tutti prodotti di Siena.
Siena.
And a delicious Sienese salami.
Assaggio. This is salami. Yeah.
Assaggio della casa, si chiama finocchiona, un salame fatto con il finocchietto selvatico.
Complimenti.
E il vino bianco.
Siena's claim to caloric fame is pan forte, a chewy local delicacy that tempts even fruitcake haters. Siena offers a delicious range of opportunities to enjoy the hearty Tuscan cuisine. Characteristic tavernas serve local dishes in a grotto-chic atmosphere. This one under a fine old medieval vault. I love bruschetta, and my favorite is without toppings, just the olive oil and garlic.
I like it. It's simple because you can taste the oil.
The olive oil. You can use your hands here.
You can use your hands.
Yes, absolutely.
That's nice.
Like this.
I've ordered my pasta bis. That gives me half portions of 2 different pastas for the cost of one, doubling my taste treat.
That's light and nice with the truffle. I like
Yes,
that.
absolutely. It's a good match.
Wow, tell me the story.
And we cap our meal by descending into their ancient Etruscan wine cellar. Dating from 300 BC and roughly hewn by hand, this former tomb now houses the taverna's fine wine and cheese. Year-round, it's the perfect temperature for wine and the perfect humidity for cheese. And as a travel writer, I feel it's my solemn duty to confirm this.
It's nice. I bet the Etruscans liked this.
Definitely.